In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear DNS cache in Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a quick fix that can help when websites are loading incorrectly, pages are not updating, or you're having trouble reaching certain sites in your browser. Clearing the DNS cache can often resolve those annoying connection issues without needing any advanced technical knowledge. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or device. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, app drawer, or wherever you normally launch Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top of the browser. Now carefully type or paste this exact address: chrome/netinternals/DNS. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown so Chrome opens the correct internal page. After that, press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will take you to a special network page that includes DNS tools and cache controls. On the page that opens, look for the button labeled Clear Host Cache. This is the option that clears Chrome's stored DNS records. When you click it, Chrome will immediately remove the cached host information it has saved. That means the browser will be forced to fetch fresh DNS data the next time you visit websites. In many cases, this can help fix loading problems, redirect issues, or outdated site responses. If the page doesn't seem to change right away, that's completely normal. The cache is usually cleared instantly in the background, even if there is no big confirmation message. After that, you can simply close the tab or continue browsing as usual. If you're still experiencing issues, you may also want to refresh the page you were trying to load or restart Chrome for good measure. And that's it! You've successfully cleared the DNS cache in Chrome. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference when troubleshooting browser and website problems. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss more quick tech fixes and tutorials like this one.